All right, so here's the 403A. Just a beautiful machine, and it's in beautiful condition. You can see right here, spinning wheel here, a little bit crusty, but definitely works. Good, because here's the foot pedal. I'm just gonna press it down here with my hand. See, it starts slow. There we go. The needle works perfect. And it sounds wonderful also. You slow it down. Just release my hand from the pedal. It's in excellent working condition, and let me tell you, it is gorgeous. Great, great machine. Working well. The other side right there, there'll be pictures on the listing in addition to this. Looks great.